happy crocheters. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to crochet the tipsy clusters. For that you need chains multiple of 12 plus 4 extra. For row 1, skip the very first chain and place a single crochet into the next chain. So single crochet into the second chain from hook. Now keep on placing one single crochet into each and every chain till the end of this row. For row 2, chain 3, turn your work, skip the very first stitch or the same stitch and into the next 3 stitches place 1 double crochet each. Skip the next 2 stitches and place a sail into the next. So here sail means 5 double crochet all into the same stitch. So yarn over, skip the next and into the next stitch place 5 double crochet all into the same stitch. So once you have placed the sail stitch, now chain 2, skip 4 stitches 1, 2, 3 and 4 and into the next place 1 double crochet. Place 1 double crochet each into the next 4 stitches. So in total 1 double crochet into each 5 stitches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip the next 2 stitches and place 5 double crochet sail into the next. Chain 2, skip the next 4 stitches 1, 2, 3 and 4 and into each of this next 4 stitch place 1 double crochet. Okay, so for row 3, chain 3, turn your work, place 1 double crochet into each of the next 3 double crochet stitch. Skip this chain 2 space and place a cell stitch into the first double crochet of the cell. So skip the space and into this first double crochet stitch of the cell place a cell stitch. It is 5 double crochet. Chain 2. Skip the rest of the stitches of the cell and place 1 double crochet into each of these 5 stitches. Now skip this chain 2 space and place a cell stitch into the first double crochet stitch of this next cell. Now skip all the 4 stitches of the cell and place 1 double crochet into each of this last 4 double crochet stitch. And 1 double crochet into this turning chain. That's it. Now keep on repeating you to continue with the pattern. So I hope you love this tutorial. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.